2013 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, dual airbags, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, compass, power windows, CD player, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.